YouTube channel. Again, this is Bob. So, for today's video is that i-discuss natin itong bagong labas ng memorandum ng SOSIA dated November 27, 2025. Memorandum Advisory number 054-2025. No? So, but before that, gusto ko munang batiin lahat ng subscribers ko, viewers ko. And then doon sa magsusubscribes pa lang in advance, maraming salamat sa inyo. So again, for today's topic is that i-discuss natin itong mimong bagong labas ng SOSIA, no, or SAGSD. So nakalagay dito to private security services providers, no, and then private security professions and chief RC issue is Memorandum Advisory number 054-2025. Ang nakalagay dito, guidelines in the verification of license to exercise security professions or LESP validity. So, basahin muna natin bago natin i-explain. So, reference the implementing rules and regulation of Republic Act number 11917. Ito yung pumalit sa Republic Act 5487, no? Known as the Private Security Agency Law. So, this pertains to the reported proliferations of invalid fake LESP in the professions of private security professions, PSP, no, while performing their duties. Okay? This has been confirmed during post-to-post inspections wherein invalid fake LESP were confiscated, no. Nag-conduct, I think mga personnel ng SOSIA is nag-conduct ng post-to-post inspections, no. Of course, pag during the inspection naman nila is that yung hinahanap nila is that yung license, no, license ng mga security personnel wherein ini-issue din ng SOSIA. So marami silang nahuling fake during post-to-post inspection, no? So ibig sabihin ito siguro yung mga palakad hindi nakarating ng kamkrami para lakarin yung security license nila. So ang ginawa nila, of course, no, lalo na pag in situ na renewal na lang, ang gagawin nila sobrang abala pa, so ipapalakad na lang nila para less hassle. Pero guys, ang ma-advise ko sa inyo, lugi kayo noon, no? Kasi halimbawa yung pinalakad nyo is that hindi siya authenticated. I mean, fake yung kanyang ipoprovide na license para sa inyo, tapos magbayad ka ng mahal. So kayo naman ang lugi doon. Pangalawa, wala kayong mag-gain knowledge about sa security professions, no? So in this regards, all concerned are advised to be guided by the following procedures in verifying the validity of the LESP, no? So license to exercise security profession, yun ang meaning yan. Letter A, all concerned should identify and report fake, no, fake PSPs, no, by verifying the authenticity of the QR code. The public is advised to carefully check the link that generated after scanning a PSP, LESP, no. Below are the official indicators. So maya natin explain. Valid URL, legitimate social link, no. When scanning the QR code of a legitimate LESP, it must redirected to the official SOSIA verification page, no. So number 2, https sosia.pnp.isg or org, no. This is the only valid domain used for authentic PNP SOSIA verifications. So letter B, fake URL commonly used in fake IDs. Okay, fake IDs often redirected to suspicious or misleading page such as SOSIA PNP CSG, no, with an extra hyphen or fake. Drive google.com files or links. Any shortened, random, or suspicious Google links, any site that does not end with an official government domain, in the QR code leads to this page, the LLSP is likely fake, no? If you encounter suspicious or fake PSP is immediately report to any the following, no? So, PNP Susya, nearest police stations, barangay officials, building or establishment management. No? 4. All concerned and enjoined to actively report holders of fake invalid LESP as these PSPs did not undergo the required training and medical neuropsychiatric test and thus pose a danger to the public. No? Further, the private security services providers deploying unlicensed PSPs shall be held liable for violating Section 632, Rule 70 of the IR of Republic Number 1917 with penalty of not less than 50,000 but not more than 100,000. Right? For your information on why this dissemination and strict compliance, Jeffrey Dicena, Police Brigadier General, Acting Chief Susya. No? So guys, itong memo na to na nilabas ng Susya noong 27 lang ng November, mainit-init pa. No? Ito ay regarding doon sa outcome ng kanilang inspection doon sa mga sa kanilang pag-post to post inspections, no, doon sa different detachment, no. So for example, nag-inspection sila dito sa Maynila, marami namang establishment dito, and then marami silang na found out, no, na maraming fake license. Okay, so guys, doon sa mga security personnel natin, para malaman nyo na kung legitimate ba yung license nyo or fake, no. But of course, doon sa mga personal na nilakad yung kanilang lisensya doon sa Camp Crame, so 100% no, na legitimate yung license mo, authenticated yan. Pero doon sa mga nagpalakad, hindi naman masisiro yan. Doon sa mga nagpapalakad na gustong hindi ma-hassle, na wala less hassle, so ang ginawa pinapalakad na lang. So ito yung gagawin nyo guys. So for example, doon sa license nyo, mayroon sa lisensya, no, pag nakita yung license card nyo, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano yung physical appearance ng license card, no? Pero wala akong security officer's license. Lang example. So halimbawa ito yung license cards nyo, no? Then ito. So dito sa harapan may nakalagay na picture nyo, no? And then mayroong QR code. So para malaman mo na legitimate yung security license mo, ang gagawin mo is that mag-download ka ng QR code scanner. I-download mo sa personal phone mo. Pagkatapos mo i-download, i-open mo yung QR code scanner mo. And then i-scan mo yung QR code na ito. Now, for example, tulad nito, i-scan mo to. So, ito ay firearms license, no? So, i-scan mo ito. Pero ito, sa license ng security, nakikita ko dito dito banda nakalagay. No, so ang gagawin mo, i-scan mo to. Ang lalabas diyan pag legitimate yung license mo is that your full name. No, for example, ako Bobby Gardosi, Bobby Lubrico Gardosi, no. So yun yung lalabas. Ang category niya, for example, is security officer. No, anong category mo? Security guard ba or security officer or consultant ba? So yun yung pangalawang lalabas. Ang pangatlo is that the license number, no. Kung halimbawa saan mo inilakad na region ito, halimbawa region 8, so then dash blank 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 blank, ano, no? And then ang pang-apat is yung address mo, no? Kung ano yung address na dinadala mo doon sa mga local requirements mo. So yun yung lalabas dito sa pang-apat na pag-scan mo. So after mo pala i-scan yung QR code, may lalabas na link. Yung link na yun is i-open mo. So pag open mo, yung lalabas full name mo, category, license number, and then yung address, and then yung date issued, no? Halimbawa, kailan in-issued yung firearms license, security license mo. Okay? And then, lastly is that yung kailan sa mag-i-expired, no? Yun yung lalabas. Okay? So, ito mayroon akong na-scan, no, kanina. Takpan ko lang yung pangalan. So yan yung example niya, no. So verified, halimbawa ganyan, no. Ayan, no. Online LESP Susya, no, full name. Tapos, category, ayan, halimbawa category niya security officer, no, and then yung license number, yun yung lalabas. And then yung pangapat is yung address mo. Panglima, date issued, and then pang-anim is that yung kailan mag-expire yung iyong license. So, hanggang dito na lang guys. Sana marami kayong natutunan sa vlog na to. Lalo na doon sa mga security personnel natin na medyo hindi maabot ng ganitong memo, no? Limited yung kanilang access sa wifi. So, sana mabasa nyo, no? At marinig nyo itong video na to para at least malaman nyo kung authenticate pa yung or legitimate ba yung security license nyo or not. No, mahirap yung nagpa-practice kayo ng profession nyo, then yung security license nyo is fake, magkakamulta kayo noon. Magkaroon kayo ng violations nyo. So, para maiwasan yan, sundin lang yung sinabi ko. Mag-download ng QR scanner, and then i-scan yung QR code na doon sa license nyo, and then lalabas na yung full name nyo, category, no, license number, kung saan nyo nilakad yan. Of course, about region 8, region 12, no, yan una lagi, tapos dash na yan, dash 00 na yan, tapos address, and then issued, and then expired. So, hanggang dito na lang guys. Sana marami kayong natutunan sa vlog na to. Again, maraming salamat sa inyo. Please subscribe, and pwede rin kayo magpa-member, no? Mura lang naman yung membership natin para every time na mayroon akong bagong video na gagawin is that magpa-pop up ka agad sa inyo. So again, doon sa mga subscribers ko, viewers, and then members, maraming salamat sa inyo. Bye bye. I will be back for another interesting topic.